Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase. And this purchase was from Academy Sports and Outdoors. This should be my Texas State University cap from the company Legacy Caps. As with all my purchases, I get nothing for doing these videos, but I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item. I want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like. So this is not my first experience with Legacy Caps. They make great caps. Low profile, low crown, fit really well. Now I've only had the trucker style. That seems to be most of the models that they make, but that's why I went with them again. And luckily they sell them on Academy, whereas before I had to go to the university bookstore to purchase the caps. Old favorite trucker is the style of this cap. And again, Texas State University, but they make Nebraska, several other universities. If you've never bought from Academy, they actually do pretty well. It's $24.99, and that included free shipping, and then it's free return. So if you've got an Academy near you, it's pretty easy just to walk it back in there and return it. Anyway, not a whole lot to show you on the cap, but that's a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.